Welcome to Guitalele Tutorials. In this video, I'll tell you about the motivation of starting this channel. I am Palash from India and my music journey started with Indian vocal classical from Prachin Kalakendra, Chandigarh. Regarding string instruments, I am playing ukulele for quite some time now and I have played different songs from different genres in different styles. I don't have any experience with guitar yet, but yeah, I'll try to learn that as well. That's all. Coming to the point. When I play ukulele, I miss the low end notes or the bassier notes. The bassier notes or the lower notes makes the music fuller and deeper. Okay, so I was trying to find a way how to incorporate the lower notes, the lower end notes or the bassier notes. And from some advice from Google Guru, what I found is that I can achieve that in three ways. One is to add a low G string instead of the standard high G string. And two is you can switch to baritone ukulele. And three is you can switch to guitalele. Now, these three has their own pros and cons. Coming to them one by one. The low G string. The low G string offers you the lower end notes, but the sound it produces, it's not similar to guitar or baritone or guitalele. Okay. Now, coming to the baritone ukulele. Baritone ukulele will give you the tone and the texture and the feeling of that sound that it's like guitar, but still you have to learn everything new. Because the tuning of baritone is leaned towards guitar, not towards ukulele. So you have to relearn everything. Coming to the guitalele, guitalele meets the requirement of having the similar tuning and also the bassier part of the notes and the lower end notes. But the problem here is that you don't get much of the tutorials on internet available for this instrument. Or rather, I would say that you won't get much freely available resources for guitalele on internet. Having some confusion for few days, I thought of giving guitalele a try. And the sound it produced was so nice. I loved it. It has the notes bassier than the ukulele and the sound it's more tribblier than guitar. So it meets the sweet spot. It meets the requirement of both. And I don't have to learn everything from scratch. So I just have to compensate for the two strings, for the new two strings. As I mentioned earlier that there are very less resources available on internet, or rather I say that there are no freely available resources available on internet for guitalele, dedicated to guitalele. So the tutorials that are there over internet are either how to switch from ukulele to guitalele or from guitar to guitalele, but nothing dedicated to guitalele. So that makes a very high barrier for entry-level musicians or a beginner. So I thought of creating a tutorial series where I start everything from scratch dedicated to guitalele. So I'll start from tuning, I'll start from what are the strings, so I'll start from how to strum, what are the chords, how to play the chords and how to finger pick, everything from starting, and that dedicated to guitalele. No reference to ukulele, no reference to guitar. Hopefully, you'll like the lessons, and if you are interested in guitalele, consider subscribing to my channel so that when I upload a new tutorial dedicated to guitalele, you'll get notified. Thank you.